right, live improv from New York City. And what we have now is a game called Repair Shop, where Barry owns a delightful local repair shop where everybody takes their stuff to get fixed. And Steve, an old friend of Barry's, comes to the shop all the time, is going to bring an object in to have something fixed. Now here's where the stickler is. Steve is not going to know what that object is. We're going to choose what it is when he leaves the room. Barry is going to know what it is, but he's not allowed to say what it is. So through hints and guesses, hopefully Steve figures out what the object is. And when he does say it, he gets this. And he's a big winner. And he gets a chicken dinner. So why don't we all say bye-bye to Steve? We're going to send him into the other room. Bye-bye, Steve.
Thanks, Steve.
Excellent. And the rest of us will come up with what is an object? What is something that is in your house right now that desperately needs repair, but it's been a year. It's been a hell of a year, so you haven't gotten around to it.
Alexa plugs.
Alexa plugs?
You know, plugs that turn on and turn off the lights from Alexa.
Well, I've just discovered that they are a thing. Alexa plugs. Alexa plugs. How are you with that, Barry? Barry's good with that. All right, here we go. We are going to mute our microphones and we're going to bring Steve back in.
Hello, Henry.
Oi, Patrick. How you be doing, man? How you be doing?
Oh, so good.
So,
Henry.
It's not working again, no?
That is the biggest one I have ever seen.
Hey, it's me. I bring in the big ones, no? So I push the button, and it goes rear, and smoke comes out of it now. So
no kid. That's unusual for that girl there. Yeah.
Is it now?
Yeah. Let me. This is going to be a hard one to fit into the outlet. I'll give it a try.
All right then.
Henry, you might need to order another one overnight. You know.
Why?
It's so big. It must have expanded when it started to smoke, because usually they're just this big.
This big?
Plug it into the wall. Yeah.
This big? Well.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm afraid of the dark. Man, the night light's got to be big.
If it were a night light, it would really be helpful if you were afraid of the dark. But maybe if you needed something, you could talk to it.
You could talk to it?
Hey, it would answer you.
It would answer me?
It would answer you. A nice female voice would come out. Yeah, voice would come out.
Well, I'll be damned. I must have got one of those prototype Echoes then, huh?
Oh.
No? It's not Siri?
Not quite the Echo. You know, the girlfriend we had back in junior high school.
Oh, gods, man, you have to... There were so many.
It wasn't... No, it wasn't Lisa.
Patrick,
I'm
man, there were
telling
so
you.
many.
I know, we had good times.
Yeah,
We did.
we did, eh?
I'll keep pounding it down a little bit so she'll fit in.
Oh my gods, man. I I have no idea what you're doing.
Well, you know, if you had brought in your Lexus, I would have fixed it.
Lexus?
That's
You
right.
think an Irishman has a Lexus?
But really, what you need is that girlfriend again that we had.
Alexa?
Oh,
But what is it?
you're right.
You're only
I
halfway
can,
there.
think of I can think of a number of things, lad, that her name is Alexa and I can plug her in.
There you go. Wow. That one was super hard. Oh, that was a tough one. Oh, that was well played. Well played. Thank you, Barry. Thank you,
Thank you, Barry.
Steve.
You're
Really
welcome.
well played. Thank you for watching. There's going to be more, so stick around.